Hey guys, you gonna say hi?
Hi.
Okay, so today we're gonna show you guys how to make binoculars and how to make an Earth Day notebook. So step one for making a binoculars, what you're gonna need, is you're gonna need 2 toilet paper rolls, some string, rubber bands, and some masking tape and scissors. We're gonna take our toilet paper rolls, we're gonna put them together. Then we're gonna get our rubber bands and we're gonna put them around each other so they stick together. Here, you wanna help? So you're gonna make it big. You're gonna stick it over like this. Okay, so they stay together. If you don't have rubber bands, another thing that you could do is you can get a stapler and you can staple each side together.
Yeah.
But we don't have a stapler, so we're gonna use rubber bands. So ready? We're gonna take another rubber band, open it. Good. Put it around. Now do the other side. Pull this. Pull it. Good. So you don't want the rubber bands to be too tight because you don't want the toilet paper roll to squish together. So this is pretty good. Next, we're going to get our string and we're going to pull our string out pretty long. Like, because remember, it's gonna hang like this around your neck. So maybe this long. Okay. This long. Auntie's gonna take the scissors and cut. You wanna help? You wanna help me? Okay. Like this. Good. We're gonna cut. Great. Okay.
So that's like big.
This one's done. So the last step.
That is the big.
We're gonna get some masking tape.
That's the big one, yes.
Here.
That one's the big.
It is the big one. And we're going to get the string. We're gonna put it inside the toilet paper roll, and we're gonna tape it inside. So I did one side, and Ethan, you could tape the other side. Just like that. Here. Take your tape. Take your tape. You're gonna stick it. Here, Auntie will help you. Okay. So it should look like that. They're just all they're both taped inside. So if you want, once you're done, you can paint it. You could color it with crayons, pencil crayons, markers. If you have stickers, you can put stickers on them. And then when you're done, you put it around. Ethan, you put it around your neck. And you look through your binoculars. Look. What do you see? Hi guys, so today we're going to show you guys how to make an Earth Day notebook with some construction paper. Ethan, what is this called?
Scissors.
Scissors. String. And
Colors.
pencil crayons.
Pencil.
Okay, so the first step we're going to do, we got 2 different construction paper. We got green and brown. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fold it into, actually we'll do one at a time. We're gonna fold it into 4. Push. Why? Your hand in my mouth. Okay, next, we're gonna fold it again into 1 more half. Push, use your muscles, push. Good. So when you open it, it should be in 4 like this. So we're gonna do the same thing with the green construction paper. Ready? I'm gonna fold it in half. We're gonna make sure that it's close. Okay, now push. Use your muscles, push. Good. Great. Now we're gonna fold the other half. But we have to make sure that it's similar, same measurement. Push. Good. Okay. So once they're into 4 pieces, we are going to cut them. So Auntie's gonna cut.
You got 2.
Yeah, you can help me. Ready? Go close, open, close, open, close. Good.
Oh, that's good.
You help me.
There.
Okay, now we're gonna cut this half.
You get crying.
We want to have 4 different pieces. Yeah. Open, close. Open, close. Push your hands. Good. 2. One more again. Ready? Open. Good. Open. Good. Good. So we got these into 4 pieces. And now we got these into. Now we're going to have to cut these into 4 pieces. Ready? Great. Okay, now we're going to turn it into, the next step into turning it into a notebook is we're going to put them all together as one. But we're going to do a pattern. We're going to do brown, green, brown, green. So brown, you get green. Pick up 1 green. Good, and put it like this. Then you're going to get a brown. Get a brown piece. Brown. That's not brown. Where's brown? Good. Put it here. Okay. So we're gonna put our notebook like this. So ideally what we would like to have is a hole puncher, and we would punch 4 holes. But because we don't have a hole puncher, what we're going to do is we're gonna get the pencil crayon, and we're gonna poke a hole ourselves, and we're gonna use the scissors to poke a hole. So you have to be careful, okay? So you're gonna go here. We couldn't do it on the table before because the surface was too hard, so we found a softer surface to poke the hole through. Ready? Good. Next one. Can you poke a hole? And she's trying to make the... Good. Let's do the next one. Poke a hole. The next one. Poke a hole. Okay, so now we're on to the last step. We've poked our holes into our paper, and now we're going to string we're gonna put the strings through the hole so that the book stays together. You ready to help me? Okay, so first you're gonna put the string in here like that, and you're gonna pull it out. Pull it. Pull this part out. On this side. No, look at this side. Look at this side. Let me try again.
Damn it. Damn it.
Here.
Don't say that.
Here. Pull. Pull it. Good. And now the last one. Auntie's gonna push it in the hole, and Ethan's gonna pull out the other side. Pull. Keep going. Oh no!
Splitting.
Stop. Don't worry, got it. Pull. Okay. So once you guys have it all together, we're going to tie a knot. Okay, guys. So we just completed the last step. We attached the string to the paper to make it look like a notebook. So Ethan, turn the pages. Turn, so people can see the book. Turn. Turn the page. Turn. Okay, so if you guys see any flowers or roses or trees, you guys can draw pictures of what you guys see outside. Okay, so we're gonna write Earth Day notebook on the front of the cover. Ready? Can you help me? Oh, snip, snap fingers when you're holding. So you're gonna hold the pencil like this. Snip, snap. Like this. Okay, you're gonna hold the pencil. So you're gonna write Earth Yeah.
Ethan. Then
E for Ethan. Earth Day note. Notebook.
That's O. That's
What?
O.
That is O.
And there's I.